All right, now we have the markets down, and it seems like we may be in a downtrend as we're beginning to see more down days of 200 and 300 points more frequently. And who knows, maybe this market has reached a top. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average is down about 1,000 points or 1,100 points from where it was 5 days ago. Now the market continues to be spooked over recession fears, and for good reason, because we're going into a recession. In fact, I think we're already in one. At any rate, we had the monthly jobs numbers come out, and we added 142,000 jobs in the month of August, and that's below expectations of 164,000. Now, in the 2 previous months, they've been revised down. In fact, the last 4 months have all been revised down. And the last 6 of the last 7 months have been revised down. Now, all of that comes after the BLS revised down the monthly jobs numbers by 818,000 from March 2023 up until March of this year. So basically, the last 17 months have been revised down except for 1 month. And if they were lying then, they're lying now. And these numbers are probably negative, but at any rate, the market, it doesn't like it. Now, if we dig deeper into the numbers, manufacturing lost 24,000 jobs in the month of August. And again, as I've said, if this country is not manufacturing anything, we're not going to remain the #1 economic superpower. That's going to go to China and other countries. Now, construction and healthcare, they were the top contributors to job creation. And construction, that number came in at plus 34,000. Healthcare at plus 31,000. And again, that's not good, because if we're increasing healthcare workers, that means the health of the average individual is probably getting worse. So America, we're going to be stuck in a quagmire for the next few decades as the jobs go bye-bye and AI takes over and the health of this country just gets worse. Now, the layoffs, they keep coming. They've slowed a bit, but the factories, they keep closing up. And every day I'm seeing 1 or 2 factories that employ 200 or 300 people closing down. Now, whether these factories are just liquidating and going south, it doesn't matter. They're not going to be around to employ Americans. Now, these job numbers, they come at a bad time because job openings, they continue to fall. And the more people who are being laid off, they're going to be vying for less positions that are out there. And in the end, you're just going to have a ton of people sitting on their hands with no income coming in, and a good likelihood that they're probably already up to their neck in debt. So not a good look there. Now, on to commodities. Oil, down again. This commodity is stuck in a downtrend, and that's going to be great news for the U.S. consumer. Bad news if you work in the oil sector. Oil is near $68 a barrel, and already you're seeing layoffs by some of the oil companies. Schlumberger, Shell, they've already announced that they're going to be cutting positions in oil and gas exploration. And once you get oil under $65 a barrel, you're going to see more layoffs in that oil sector. And at the rate oil is falling, we're only a few days from hitting that $65 trigger point. Now, the precious metals, they're pretty much unchanged, and many of the agricultural commodities, they're slightly down. Now, this market's rating, we'll see if it can claw back any of these losses. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.